In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome sync paused error. If Chrome keeps pausing sync and asking you to sign in again, this usually happens because a setting is blocking Google from saving the data it needs. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu where you can access Chrome's settings and other tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for Chrome, where you can adjust privacy, permissions, and account-related options. Next, look for Privacy and Security and click on it. This section controls how Chrome handles data, cookies, and permissions, which are all important for keeping your Google account signed in properly. After that, click Site Settings. Here you'll find controls for how websites are allowed to store and use data in your browser. Now, scroll down until you find Additional Content Settings and click it to expand more options. In this area, select On-Device Site Data. This setting affects whether websites, including Google services, can store the information needed to remember your sign-in and keep sync active. Once you're there, click the option to allow sites to save data. Then choose Add under the section for sites that are allowed to save data. When the box appears, enter accounts.google.com and then click Add to confirm. This specifically tells Chrome to allow Google account services to store the necessary site data, which can help stop sync from pausing unexpectedly. After adding that site, the next step is to clear browsing data. This can remove old or conflicting cached information that may be interfering with Chrome sync. To do that, go back to Chrome and open the menu again if needed, then click Delete Browsing Data. When the Clear Browsing Data window appears, click Delete Browsing Data to confirm. Once that's done, give Chrome a moment to finish clearing the data. Afterward, it's a good idea to restart the browser so the changes apply cleanly. When Chrome opens again, sign back into your Google account if needed and check whether sync is now working normally. That's it. By allowing Google account site data and clearing browsing data, you can often fix the Chrome sync paused error quickly and get everything back to normal.